Hello, my name is Avery, and this is Nature with Avery. And today, I'm talking about bees and butterflies. The bees, there's different kinds. There's the bees that sting you, like the bumblebee, and there's the bees that don't, like the carpenter bee. The carpenters, Dad, do you want to touch one? See if they sting? Does that sting?
Nope.
How I know is that this doesn't sting. Woo! Punched through by my head, and they sound like a fly. They're just trying to pollinate. Butterflies, on the other hand, they do the same thing. They're easy to catch because they don't sting like a bee, but they're kind of hard to catch because they fly around. Okay, so I'm touching a bee here. It's not stinging me at all. So, what I like about this is that we have a community of bugs in our garden because it's a big one, and there's the usual bumblebee, and go 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 go. There's a spider. The spiders are really, really cool. That one looks like a jumping spider. It might be poisonous. Some things I might touch, but not all things because they might be poisonous. The spiders are big and cool, but on the other hand, grasshoppers. Ooh, is that a baby yellow jacket? Grasshoppers. I saw one earlier. They're kind of jumpy, and you can't really touch him because they're not too valuable. Hi. Bees. They try to bite. Carpenters don't bite. They have no defense. I picked a flower. Is that okay, Dad?
Yeah. Hey.
This bee, he's gonna get on there. Get so.
Finish up.
And bye. And this is Nature with Avery.